And welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP19 Assess Chapter 3 HOE Assessment Property Sales. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Let me know if you need help in any courses, any exam, any assignment, or you want to do for a complete course. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, and many more courses. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Title of assignment is XP19 Assess Chapter 3 HOE Assessment Property Sales. You can see this title of assignment and then project description. Here is project description to get idea about your project. You can see. Now, question number 1 is that start assess. Open the download assess file name XP19 Assess Chapter 3 HOE Assessment Property Sales. Basically, in this question, we will have to download assess file from Pearson IT dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson IT dashboard. You can download this file easily from your portal. You can see my assess file. Okay, now moving on question number 2. Okay, you can see this question number 2. Use query design to create a new query. The show table dialog box opens so you can specify the table and or queries to include the queries design and the agents table, the properties table. Close the shows table dialog box. First, basically in this question, we will have to use the query design to create a new query. Okay, first we will create a new query and then add the first name last name field from the agents table to the query. Add the list price, SQ field, and sold fields. Sold field from the properties table to the query. Run the query and view the 23 properties that display. Okay, first we create a query. Click on create. Click on query design. Okay, then query will be created. First we add 3 tables. Okay, agents table. And second is that property sales. Properties table. Okay, done. First we will add to 2 table, agents and properties table. You can see this. Okay, and then close the show dialog box. Okay, add the first name and last name field from the agents table to the query. We will have to add the first name and last name from the agents table. First name and last name. Okay, to the agents table to the query. Add the list price and SQ field and sold field from the properties table to the query. Run the query. Okay. Add the list price. You can see list price and SQ feed. Okay, and sold fields, and sold field is here. You can see sold fields. Okay, from the properties table to the query. Okay, run the query. Okay, query will be run. Okay, then view the 23 properties that display in the query result. This is done now. You can see. Moving on question number 3. Save the query as price per square foot. Okay, switch to back design view and no in the criteria. Switch to design view. Okay, and no in the criteria row of the sold field. No in the criteria row of the sold field. Click on sold field properties and criteria will be no. You can see this no. You can select no. Okay, sort the query in ascending order by list price. Run the query. Okay, go to the list price property and then select ascending order. This is done now. Run the query and view the 17 unsold properties in order from least expensive. Run the query. Okay, you can see this. Save the query as price per square foot. You can copy this price per square foot and then you can save your query as this name. Right click on this and save, close and save as price per square foot. Okay, this is done now. Question 4 is that switch to design view. Okay. Switch to design view. In the field row of the first blank column of the query design grid, right click and select zoom and price per square feet X list price over S SQ feet and then click OK. Assess and insert square bracket around the field. Okay. Go to design view. Okay, go to design view and then open build. Okay, so to design view in the field row of first blank column of the query design grid, right click and select zoom. Okay, and price per square foot XL X list price over square feet and then click OK. Okay, right click on this, click on zoom. And price per square feet, you can add this. Okay, then press OK. Okay, this is done now. Assess insert square brackets around the field to you. Be sure that you address the extra X to the field name. You are initially misspelled the field names to see how assess. Run the query and then run the query in the first enter parameter 20,000 2 lakh. Press OK. Okay, search does not recognize X list price in the table defined for the query in the first record. When assess does not recognize another enter parameter value dialog box display asking that you supply a value of S square feet. Again, this error occurs because the table defined the queries. Okay, tap 1000 in the second parameter box and enter, press enter 1000 and then press enter. Okay, this is done now. The query has necessary information to run, returns the result in datasheet view. Examine the result of calculation of wrong price per square foot. All of these records show 2200 because you entered the value 2 lakh. Okay, run the query in design view, display zoom window. Correct the errors in the price per square feet by changing the formula to price per square feet is equal to list price. Okay, go into design view and then price per square foot and right click on this zoom. Okay, you can enter and then press OK into this formula. You can copy this formula and enter here. Okay, and then press OK, then press OK. This is done now. Run the query and adjust width of necessary. The new calculated field price per square foot is displayed. The new field divided the value in the list price field by the value of square feet. Save the query and close. Save and close the query. Okay, you can read this instruction carefully and then you will apply on assess file. I am also applying on assess file. You can see on my PC screen. I can do all courses for you, all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assessment, many more courses. I am handling many students courses. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course. Okay, run the query and right click on this, save and close this query. Save and close this query. Okay, this is done now. This question is completely done. You can see this. I have done this question right now. Now moving on question. Next question is question number 5. Okay, make a copy of price per square foot query and name its price per square foot formatted. Okay, you can copy this price per square foot formatted and make a copy of price per square foot query. Open the price per square foot formatted query in design view. Display the property sheet for the price per square foot calculated field. Change the field format. Okay. First we will have to make a copy of price per square foot query. Okay, right click on this and copy and paste here and rename is price per square design formatted. You can copy this price per square foot formatted and then rename as price per square foot formatted. Okay, rename as price per square foot formatted. This is done now. Okay, open the price per square foot formatted query and design view. We will have to open this query and design view. Okay, display property sheet and click on view and open a design view. Display property sheets for the price per square calculated feet. Change the feet format to currency, then change the caption to price per square foot. Close the query sheet. Go to view tab and click on design view. Click on properties and then format is that currency. Okay, then caption to price per square feet. You can copy this caption and go to the SS file and then you can add this caption price per square feet. Okay, you can copy this and then go to SS file and go to caption and then click on enter this price per square feet. Okay, close the property sheet and run the query. Okay, and run the query. To view your changes, the calculated feed value is formatted. Right click on this, save and close all. Okay, you can see I have done half assignment for remaining customer, or you want to do it for complete course. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my screen. I will provide you A plus grade in your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course. I have many students and I am handling many students courses from USA, Canada and UK. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. You can contact me for your assignment help, exam help, or you want to do for a complete course. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.